Once upon a time in a small village in the middle of winter, when snow covered the world with its soft white blanket, there lived a little white dog named Link. Link was no ordinary dog because he could talk. He had fluffy fur and bright brown eyes that sparkled just like the snow around him. Every night before bed, the children of the village gathered around Link to listen to his stories. And so begins the journey of Link, the talking snow dog, and his exciting adventures that take children into a wonderful dream world. Each story can be a different journey into fantasy, where Link and his friends discover magical places, meet new friends and have fun adventures. And at the end of each story, the children return to their dreams with a smile on their faces and a warm heart. The Adventures of Link Chapter 3, The Snowstorm. During a particularly cold and snowy winter, the snowy village where Link lived experienced an unusual challenge. A heavy snowstorm had cut off the village from the outside world, and the streets were snowy and impassable. The villagers were worried because supplies were running low and they didn't know how to deal with the situation. The children of the village missed their meetings with Link and his stories that had always brought them comfort and hope. One icy evening, as the snow continued to fall, they decided to go to Link and ask for his advice. With their thick winter coats and scarves, the children made their way to Link's cave, deep in the snowy hills. When they reached the cave, they found Link sitting outside his cozy cave, watching the snowflakes fall gently to the ground. "Link, we need your help," said Mia, the bravest of the children. The snow dog turned his head and looked at the worried faces of the children. "What's wrong, my dear friends? Why did you come here in this weather?" The children told Link about their plight, about the snowy streets and the dwindling supplies in the village. They asked him for advice or ideas on how to get through the difficult time. Link, who was always wise and kind, smiled and said, "In the cold of winter, we can enjoy the warmth of our community and the beauty of nature. See how the snowflakes dance and turn the forest into a fairyland. We can learn to appreciate the simple joys of winter." The children listened carefully and realized that Link was right. Instead of being annoyed by the snow, they began to admire it. They began building snowmen, going on sleigh rides, and looking at snowflakes as if they were little works of art. The days passed and the snowstorm continued. But the mood in the village became more and more cheerful because people recognized the beauty of winter and helped each other. The children continued to gather around Link and listen to his stories about winter and nature. Eventually, as the snow slowly receded and the roads became clear again, the residents of the village had grown closer together and emerged stronger from this challenge. They now knew that winter brought not only cold and difficulty, but also community and beauty. And so Link, the talking snow dog, continued to live in his snowy village, reminding children and adults to appreciate the beauty of winter and use the power of community to overcome any challenge.